Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. All of you are ready with your maths classwork? Yes? Okay. Okay, I want you to keep your maths classwork, your pencil eraser ready. Okay? Good morning, ma. Good morning. Now take a new page. Good morning, children. I said maths classwork, not your reader. Take your maths classwork. Okay? Maths classwork, Mithun Raj. Okay, take your notebook. Take your notebook. Okay, take your notebook and take the next new page. Okay, take a new page. Okay, all of you have taken your notebook. Okay, now take your maths classwork and take a new page. Okay, and write today's date in the margin. Okay, write 13-01-21. Okay, 13-01-21. Write the date. I want all of you all to write along with me. Okay, write it along with me. 13-01-21. Okay. Now, in the don't write maths here. Okay. In the first line, everyone is written the date. Good morning, ma. Okay, everyone is written the date. Okay, now in the first line, write capital S. Write capital S. Parents, please, you want to talk, you can mute yourself. Please don't disturb the class. Okay, write capital S. I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Write capital S. I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Okay, write simple. Leave a finger space. Okay, leave a finger space. Write capital A. D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Okay, write simple. Leave a finger space. Write addition. Capital A. D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Tasmia, please take your classwork. You need to take your notebook, take a new page and then start writing. Okay? Everyone has written this? After you write addition, leave a finger space, open a bracket. Okay, leave a finger space, open a bracket. Write the number 2. 2. I don't have place in this line, so I'm going to write in the next line. I want you to just continue in the first line itself. Okay? Write 2, put a small hyphen. Write D-I-G-I-T-S, digits, and close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, all of you have finished?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Erin?
Can you mute anyone, ma'am?
Most of them are muted only. Okay, now everyone is muted. Okay, now all of you have written the heading. Now I want you to leave a line. Okay, you will have to leave one line in the margin. Write Roman number 1. Okay, in the margin, write Roman number 1. Now this side of the margin, write capital ADD, add. Write Roman number 1, write ADD, add. Okay, now I want you to leave a line after you write the heading. Okay, please pay attention to the way I'm asking you to write. Okay, leave a line after the heading and then leave a space, leave a finger space after the margin and write capital T. Capital T. T stands for tens. Okay, you'll have learned, right? Tens and ones. Okay, so this capital T stands for tens. Okay, after you have written capital T, leave a finger space, write capital O. O stands for ones. Okay. Now, next line, please do not leave a line here. Next line below T, write 2 and below O write 5. The number is 25. 2 tens and 5 ones, so 25. Okay? Write the number 25. For the ones who logged in late, please take your class work and write. I'm not doing anything from the textbook. Today you're doing it in your, you're going to write down these sums in your class work.
Which page, ma'am?
Chirant, I said class work. Please take your class work and take a new page and write. Okay? All of you have written 25. Then next line, please do not leave a line here. Next line, where you have left a finger space, right? Put a plus sign. Okay? And then below 2, write 1. Below 5, write 3. Okay? 13. 1, 10 and 3 ones. Okay? Write the number 13. The next line you draw 2 lines like this. Okay? Now leave 4 finger space. Okay, leave 4 finger space. In the same line where you've written T-O, write capital T. And then leave 1 finger space, write capital O. Tens and ones. Okay, next line, okay, the line where you've written the number 25, the same line here. Below T, write 2 and below O, write 7. 27. Okay, next line, this side, put a plus sign. Below 27, write the number 31. Okay, and then draw the two lines. Okay, now all of you all know single digit addition, right? Okay, all of you all know single digit addition. Now what we're doing here is two digit addition. How will you do two digit addition? Remember rule number 1, when you add, always begin from your one side. Okay, first add these two numbers. The numbers which are given in your one side is what you have to add. So which side of the numbers that you're going to add first? Yeah, not 0. This is O. This is ones. Okay, remember tens and ones. This is not the number. Very good. 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 in my mind, 3 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So below here, okay, in the ones place itself, write 8. Remember where you're writing? All the numbers should be in ones place. Okay, write 8. Okay, you finished adding the one side. Now we're going to add the 10 side. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Very good. Okay, so 25 plus 13 is how much?
38.
Very good. Your answer is 38. Okay, so you all know how to add this. It's simple addition only. Remember, only one rule is there. Always add from your left side. That is your, you should add from your ones column only first. Okay, first add this side, then you add to the, come to the tens. Okay, now next sum, second sum, again you will add the numbers which is given on your one side, which is 7 plus 1. How much is 7 plus 1? Very good, 8. Next, 2 plus 3? 5. Very good. Answer is? Very good. Answer is 58. Did you understand how to do this two-digit addition? Yes? Okay, now these types of sums are called as simple addition for two-digit numbers. Okay, it's only simple. You don't have any number which is carrying over. All the numbers, when you add, it will be within 9 only. Okay, so you're going to write, this is called as simple addition. Okay? Did you understand? Everyone has finished both the sums? Shall I erase the board? Okay? Yes. Okay, now I want you to leave 2 lines. How many lines will you leave?
2 lines.
Very good. Leave 2 lines. Okay, now in the margin, leave a finger space and then write capital T. Then again leave one finger space and write capital O. T for tens, O for ones. Okay? Everyone is written? Yes. Now next line, will you leave a line after T and O?
No.
You will not leave. Very good. Next line, below T, write the number 3. Below O, write the number 7. 37. Okay? 37. Next line, where you have left that one finger space, write plus. Okay, put a plus sign. Okay, plus. Below 3, write 2. Below 7, write 2. The number is 22. And then draw 2 lines. Okay. After you have taken the sum, how many finger space will you leave? Very good. Leave 4 finger space. In the line where you have written T and O, write capital T. Leave a finger space, write capital O. Okay, write capital O. Now the line after where you have written T and O, the next line, write 1, 7, 17. Write 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Next line, little away from the number, put a plus sign. Okay, and then below 1 write 6 and below 7 write 2. And then draw the 2 lines. Okay. Okay, all of you have taken down both the sums. Okay, now first we'll take down another 2 more sums. Okay, so how many lines are you going to leave here? 2 lines. Very good. Leave 2 lines and then in the margin leave a finger space and write T. Remember, all these numbers should be in the same row. Okay, write T. Okay. Then again leave a finger space, write O, tens and ones. Okay. Now next line, below T write 5 and below O write 6, 56. 56. Now here the next line, put a plus sign. Okay. And then you will write the number 2, 3, 23. Okay, write the number 2, 3, 23. Okay. Now how many finger spaces will you leave here? 4. Very good. Yes. Okay, leave 4 finger space and write T. Write capital T. You have to write capital T, not small t. Remember that. Okay. Write capital T. Leave a finger space. Write capital O. T stands for? T stands for? Tens. Very good. And O stands for? Ones. Very good. Yes. Okay, now next one. Take down the number 7, 3, 73. 7, 3, 73. Okay, next line, put a plus sign and then take down the number 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Yes. Okay, now all of you have taken down all the 4 sums? Yes. Okay, now we will start adding. From which one will you start adding now? Ones. Very good. So 7 plus 2. How much is 7 plus 2? 7 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Very good. Write 9 here in the ones place. Okay, wherever you've written O, there only you have to write 9. Okay. After you have added the ones place, now come to tens place. 3 plus 2. How much is 3 plus 2? Very good. 5. Answer is 59. Okay. Finish writing? Yes. Now next one again. 7 plus 2 is? 9. 1 plus 6? 7. Very good. 1 in my mind, 6 on my fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so 1 plus 6 is 7. Your answer is 79. Okay, your answer is 79. Did you finish the second one? Okay, all of you have finished the second one. Okay, now next one, third sum. Again, you're going to add the numbers which is given in your ones column. You have 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. Very good. 6 in my mind, 3 on my fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. write 9. Okay, see where I'm writing 9. Please don't write 9 here. It has to be under ones place only. Okay. Next one, you're coming to the tens place. 5 plus 2. How much is 5 plus 2? 7. Very good, children. Answer is again 79. Okay.
3.
Okay. Next, fourth sum. 3 plus 4. How much is 3 plus 4? 7. Very good. 3 on my mind, 4 on my fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, write 7 here. Okay. Next one, 7 plus 2. 9. Very good. Answer is 97. Did you all understand, children, how to do this? Is it easy? Yes. Okay, have you finished taking down all the 4 sums? Everyone is written? Okay, shall I erase the board? Okay, children. Okay, now again, what will you do? Very good. Leave 2 lines. Again, from the margin, you will leave how many finger space? 1 finger space. Write capital T. T for ones. Then again leave a finger space. Write capital O. O for ones. Okay. T for tens and O for ones. Okay. Now below T, write the number 6. Below O, write the number 3. 63. Okay. 63. Next line, put a plus sign near the margin. Below 6, write 2 and below 3, write 5. 25. And then draw the 2 lines. Okay. Now after you take down the sum, how many finger spaces should you leave? Very good. Leave 4 finger spaces and then write capital T. Leave a finger space, write capital O. Okay, remember this should be the same line. Okay? Yes, if you don't have place, you can go to the next page, ma. Okay? Now, below T, write 8. Below O, write 1. 81. This side, write plus, the next line. Below 8, write 1 and below 1, write 7. 17. Okay? And then drop both the lines. Okay? After you take down the sum over here, how many lines will you leave? Very good. Leave 2 lines and in the margin leave a finger space. Write capital T. Leave a finger space. Write capital O. Okay? Now below T, take down 1 and below O, write 5. 15. 15. Next line, near the margin, put a plus sign. Okay? And then below 1, write 3. And below 5, write 4. And then draw both the lines. Okay? After you've taken down the sum, how many finger space will you leave? Very good. Leave 4 finger space and write T. Then again leave 1 finger space, write capital O. Okay? Write capital O. Okay? After you write that, now below T, write the number 2 and below O, write the number 6. 26. Next line, little away from the number, put a plus sign. And write the number 3333 and then draw both the lines. Okay? Okay, after you have finished taking down all the 4 sums, shall we work out the sums now? Okay, now from which side will you all start? Remember, you have to begin from the ones side. Yes. Yes, you have to begin from the ones side. Okay. Now 3 plus 5. How much is 3 plus 5? 8. Answer is 8. 3 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here write 8. Okay. Next one, 6 plus 2. How much is 6 plus 2? 8. Very good. Again, it is 8. 6 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Your answer is 88. Okay, what is your answer? 88. Okay. Now next sum. Again, you're going to start from the ones place. 1 plus 7. How much is 1 plus 7? Very good. It is 8. Then 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 9. Very good. Your answer is? Very good. Answer is 98. Okay. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now next, the third sum on this board. 5 plus 4. How much is 5 plus 4? 9. Very good. 5 on my mind. 4 on my fingers. After 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next one. 1 plus 3 is? 4. Very good. Your answer is 49. Okay. Answer is 49. Okay. Everyone is written? Yes. Okay. Now next sum. 6 plus 3. How much is 6 plus 3? 9. Very good, Tasmia. Answer is? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 in my mind, 3 on my fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, next 2 plus 3. Very good, it is 5. So your final answer is? Very good, your final answer is 59. Okay? Everyone's taken down till here? Everyone has taken the sums down? Okay, shall I erase the board? Okay, children. Now I'm going to give you few sums for homework. Okay, you will take it down now and then you're going to do it afterwards and then send. Okay, children? Okay? Okay, now leave 2 lines. Okay, even if you have space in that line, that is fine. Now leave 2 lines. These are your homework sums. Okay? Leave 2 lines and then leave, from the margin, leave 1 finger space and then write capital T. Okay? Then leave a finger space, write capital O. Okay? Now below T write 1, below O write 9, 19. Next line, near the margin put a plus sign. Okay, near the margin put a plus sign. Okay. And then below 1 write 7 and below 9 write 0. 70, and then you will put draw both the lines. Okay. Now how many finger spaces should you leave, children? Very good. Leave 4 finger space. Write capital T. Okay, write capital T. Then again leave 1 finger space. Write capital O. Okay. Then below T write the number 2 and below O write the number 7. 27. Okay, 27. Next line, a little away from the number, put a plus sign. Okay, below 2 write 4, below 7 write 0. 40. Yes. Okay. Now how many lines will you leave now? Very good. Leave 2 lines and then leave a finger space. Write capital T. Write capital T. Leave a finger space. Write capital O. Okay. And then below T write 6. Below O write 0. Okay. Now next line, near the margin put a plus sign. Then below 6 write 1 and below 0 write 5 and then draw both the lines. Okay. Have you taken this down? Okay. Now how many finger spaces will you leave?
4.
Very good. Leave 4 finger space and then write capital T. Remember all these should be in the same line. Okay. Write capital T, then leave a finger space, write capital O. Okay. Now next, below T write 6, below O write 2, 62. Next line, put a plus sign. Okay. Below 6 write 1 and below 2 write 5. 15 and then draw both the lines. Okay. All of you have taken all the 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I erase the board? I need to give you one more sum. Okay. Shall I erase the top 2 sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, how many lines will you leave, children? How many lines will you leave? Yes, leave 2 lines. Then from the margin, leave a finger space. Write capital T. Okay, then leave a finger space. Write capital O. Below T, write 4. Below O, write 1. 41. Okay. Next line, put a plus sign. Write 5 below 4. And below 1, write 3. 53. And then draw both the lines. Okay. 41 plus 53. These 5 sums I want you to finish for homework. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, along with these 5 sums, I am also going to give you all writing in figures from 701 to 900. Okay? So that also I will write and I will send it to you. I want you to complete that as well. Okay, children? Did you all understand today's addition? Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Make sure that you finish all the 5 sums along with writing in figures and send your homework. Okay, children? Okay, children. Then shall we wind up the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Bye-bye. Bye, children.